Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. Remember this shirt where I wasn't sure if I was going to cut off the sleeves because I was getting very Phantom of the Opera / Backstreet Boy vibes, Backstreet's Back. Anybody remember that video? I'm going to do a little dance for you guys right now to show you guys what I'm talking about. Here it is. Backstreet's back, alright. Okay, but seriously, this is the video where I'm going to cut off the sleeve. So I'm literally just going to go along the side and cut off the sleeves. Originally, I didn't cut off the actual seam, but then I went back and I cut off the seam. So this is what we're dealing with. It's just a vest that's very low cut. So I'm going to go in with these SY, I don't know, Design Henrik something, I don't know. Basically you iron it on and it helps with hems. It's a little bit difficult to use on this now vest because there's like darting in the front. So like there's like a place for like your boobs to go. So it's a little bit difficult to use it. Blech. So basically what I did was I lined it up, I cut it to size, and then I took out the iron and I took out a towel so that I could iron on it. I turned the shirt inside out, and then when the shirt was inside out, which is what you see here, is when I then put the piece that I cut to size and I put the side down and then I just ironed on. This is supremely sped up because I didn't want to bore everybody. But of course, everything I do to one side, I do to the other side, and I'm only going to show you the side that's closest to the camera. Then we're working on the back side. So as you can see, the bottom part of this, it's now flipped, and we're working on the other side. And this side I decided to do smaller pieces because again, that darting, it was just a little bit hard to do bigger pieces on this side. So I started off with smaller pieces and I tucked it under, folded it over, and then I would iron the piece. I did this in small sections all the way around the sleeves so that there were no spots that were untouched. I definitely did the best I could with the tools that I had. I don't think that this was the ideal thing to use for this. It's really good for like the hem on pants, but again, like the darting in the shirt or in the vest just doesn't really, it's just a little bit difficult to do, and you'll see at the end when I show you the end result. So basically when I was done doing this to both sides, I turned it back to the right side, no longer inside out, and I just went over the sleeves just to try to even everything out, make it a little bit less bunchy in some spots. I'm not really sure if this helped much, but I thought it was worth noting. So this is me wearing it 4 months later from the first clip where I showed you guys. My chest was growing rapidly during this time. It just didn't look 100%. 4 months later, after that clip, I ended up getting a prophylactic double mastectomy because I was high risk for breast cancer, and that is what you're seeing here. I'm definitely going to revisit this shirt because I'm feeling a little bit like McLovin, but I have some really great ideas on how to dress this up for my body now. So we're definitely going to revisit this in the future. Stay tuned.